Today in Tony's Backyard Garage, we're going to attempt to fix a inline air lubricator. Here is the unit. It's a SMC air inline lubricator, and it leaks air right from this adjustment dial here. Okay, here we go. This is still 3/4 full of oil, so we're just gonna turn it and try not to spill too much of it. Put that off to the side. Stay there. Looks like there's 4 screws. Take those 4 screws out, Phillips. Make sure the head of the screwdriver is not dirty. Even though this has a filter, I'm not sure you can see that or not, but it does have a filter, which is pretty cool. It looks like this whole thing goes that way. I felt it shift. Let's see here. I think what happened with this one was I have the air line coming straight from the air compressor, which is set at 125 psi. Even though this is rated for max pressure 150, I don't think it could handle 125 psi. Let's just see. There we go. There it is. That's it there. Nothing else. Nothing else in there. I wondered what that cap was for. Well, now I know. It's just to fill. Just a fill cap, so you don't have to take out the bottom housing to fill it with oil. All right. Okay. I'm looking closely at the O-ring in there. That looks okay. It was leaking air through here, so it's got to be these O-rings, or there must be an O-ring inside also. Oh, this whole thing turns? This is an adjustment. This here, I think if you turn it to the left, it allows more oil to go through it. This is oil gets sucked up through this glass, out the top, and then into the airstream. Frankly, I don't see a cut anywhere. So I got 2 sets of O-rings. There we go. And with these green ones, all right. Grab a little pick. Start off with these small ones. I can feel me poking myself. I can see it coming. Come on. There. All right. Which one? Which one? These are a little thicker. So let's say that one. Which according to this, it's a it's an R-04. R-04 according to this is 5/16 inside diameter. 7/16 outer diameter. I don't know if you can see that or not. But I'm going with it. Looks like it's a little thicker, so it might be a problem. There it is. Well, I'm gonna keep those together like that, and this one. Oh boy. These green ones look too thick. So keep those over there. Let's see here. This is the closest one. This is way thicker. This is all I got though. I'm gonna try it. This one, wait. That one. That one's gonna be tight fit for that one. It's in there. Wow. It's definitely not going to leak from there. So this screws into that. Frankly, guys, I think the air was coming from these 2 rings. That's what I'm thinking. I'll try it. Oh yeah. No way, Jose. No way.
gonna throw that one out.
I've been poking at it, so
I don't want to reuse it later on. Ah, damn it! This is too thick. This is the only set I have. This one here is a little bit thinner. That one might work. I might have locked out on that one. Okay. Well, guys, I'm gonna try it. This is it. Okay, there's a little tab in there. A little tab on this. This must go like this. I have my doubts about this. All right. Okay, that's on there. It's locked. So now I'm just gonna temporarily run the air line to here. So I'll just grab some fittings. I had some spare black pipe fittings, so I'm just gonna hook that. I'm just gonna hook this up like this. I'll run an air line into there. Just pressurize it a bit. And let's see. Let's see if it worked or not. There's about 50 pounds of pressure in the line right now. So we're gonna see. We'll move you guys a little closer. Here goes nothing. See that? See where they... Looks like it's leaking from here. Looks like it's leaking right from there. I didn't even see that. Well, let's see. Let's try this.
Oh, I went through all that? No, no way. Don't tell me this was the problem. I'm gonna lose it. This was the O-ring that was in there. It looks slightly deformed. Well, let's see here. We should have something that should work. It's too big. But it's thicker. Come on, get on there. Try that. Just dab it with oil, even though it's covered in oil already. It's on there, but not very tight. It's snug. Okay, here, I'm gonna plug it in. Right on. I think we're good. Let me just crank the pressure up in the line to full pressure. I think we're good. All right, now I'm going to install this. Okay guys, sorry about the noise. I got the heater on in the garage, and I'm not sure if you're picking that noise up or not. But anyways, the unit is going to go right here. Sorry about the angle also, but that's the best place I could put the camera. So I'm going to take this 1/2 inch to 3/8 section off, and this is where the new piece is going to go. So I only have one pipe wrench. The vice grips are going to have to do. If you're wondering what this is just an air filter. So it takes all like the little particles of that's in the airline, mostly rust, and it filters it before it continues on. So this nozzle is strictly for air, filtered air, and then the other nozzle will be for filtered air plus oil lubrication. So this line will be used for air tools, and this line will be used for spray painting or just blowing air. Beautiful. I'm gonna have to take this. Oh, you can't see it. Oh, here you go. This clip has to come off so I can pull the airline out away from the wall, and so I can screw on the lubricator. Just a couple wraps. Actually, one will probably be enough. It has some already on it. Not much though. It doesn't have to be super tight, guys. There. Put this clip back on. Also, guys, it would be a good idea to have some kind of drain here. Maybe just another valve like this right here, just blowing into the atmosphere, because this is the end of the line. It's the furthest point from the air compressor, and it tends to build up water. So you just every once in a while, you just crank it open, let the water shoot out of it, and then close it back up. I will be doing that in the future, but let me turn on the air and see what happens. There it goes. There is a slight, small leak right here. But that's okay, because every night I always shut it off right here. Actually, I shut it off at the main, but I also shut it off here. So there you go. It was leaking a lot from here. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. That's it. See you on the next project.